वेलकम टू एसओएमपी। आज के बिग पिक्चर डिबेट का टॉपिक है जॉइंट यूज ऑफ चाबहार पोर्ट। ये जो टॉपिक है आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं इन जीएस पेपर 2 इन दी सब टॉपिक्स एंड ये पैनलिस्ट है इस डिस्कशन की। सो आइए देखते हैं कि कंटेक्स्ट क्या है। हाल ही में एक वर्चुअल ट्राइलैटरल वर्किंग ग्रुप मीटिंग हेल्ड हुई थी बिटवीन इंडिया, ईरान एंड उज्बेकिस्तान and they discussed on the joint use of the Chahabahar port in this meeting. In this meeting, our external minister, in a statement, he welcomes the interest of the Uzbekistan to use the Chahabahar port as a transit port. So let us see कि क्या key highlights रहे हैं इस meeting के. This meeting discussed the joint use of Chahabahar port to enhance the regional connectivity as the three countries इन्होंने पहला trilateral meeting conduct किया था which focused on the strategic trade and the transit facility in the Gulf of Oman. So they focused to enhance the regional connectivity in this region, Gulf of Oman region. Also, the leaders in the meeting they noted the significant role which is being played by the Chabahar port for the region to deliver humanitarian assistance, especially during the COVID pandemic time. All the countries they welcome India's proposal to hold the Chabahar Day on the margins of the International Maritime Summit, जो कि host किया जाएगा by India in January 2021. ये जो ट्राइलैटरल मीटिंग हुआ था इट एक्चुअली टुक प्लेस इन द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ इंडिया पिचिंग फॉर द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ उज्बेकिस्तान इन द इंटरनेशनल नॉर्थ साउथ ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉरिडोर प्रोजेक्ट. दिस INSTC project जो है it is actually a 7,200 kilometer long multi-mode transport project for moving freight among countries like India, Iran, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia and Europe. So, from the countries, you can have an idea that it is connecting India to the Central Asian countries and gradually to the European countries as well. Let me just show you in the map. ये है INSTC का route. This is India. India is getting connected to Iran via a Bandar Abbas port in Iran. It is between Persian Gulf. This is Persian Gulf and this is Gulf of Oman. गल्फ ऑफ ओमान यही रीजन की रीजनल कनेक्टिविटी की बात कर रहे हैं इस मीटिंग में. And in INSTC route, it is India is getting connected to Iran. फिर यहाँ से Azerbaijan via Caspian Sea. This is Caspian Sea. इससे हम कनेक्ट करेंगे कजाकिस्तान को, then Russia and gradually to the other European countries. So this INSTC जो route है ये, it is connecting India to the Central Asian countries and the European countries. So इसी project में India ने pitch किया है उज्बेकिस्तान को to join this route, INSTC route. Also, besides Uzbekistan, other Central Asian countries have also shown interest in in using this Chahabahar port. And India चाहता है कि वो cooperate करे closely with the regional countries on this issue. So let us see कि ये चाबहार पोर्ट पहले है कहाँ पे और कौन डेवलप करता है. ये चाबहार पोर्ट है. It is located on the Gulf of Oman and it is the only oceanic port of the country. It is being developed by India, Iran, and Afghanistan to boost the trade ties among the three countries in the wake of Pakistan, who has denied the transit access to India. I'll just show you in the map. This is Iran, in ये India. So अगर अफगानिस्तान और ईरान को पाकिस्तान मतलब इंडिया में ट्रेड करना होगा तो it has to access Pakistan. But since Pakistan has denied its access, that is why India has opted for a maritime route. And this route. ये यहाँ पे ही चाबहार पोर्ट है. So via Chahabahar port, India can connect to the Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and the other Central Asian countries, and gradually to the European countries as well. Um, so this the Chahabahar port it is considered as a major transit point to connect with several Central Asian countries. Let us see कि क्या significance है इस Chahabahar port का and why India is so much bothered to involve in this in its development. So one first reason is connectivity to the Central Asia and beyond. From Chahabahar अगर देखा जाए तो इंडिया कनेक्ट कर सकता है to the border towns of Jaranj in Afghanistan and through the Jaranj Dilaram highway constructed by India it can connect further to the north to the Central Asia and beyond. देखिए यहाँ पे this is Chahabahar port and यहाँ से Jaranj which is a border area border town of in Afghanistan एंड थ्रू दिलारम एंड बाकी अदर सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्रीज को भी कनेक्ट करता है, जैसे यहाँ तुर्कमेनिस्तान, दिस इज उज्बेकिस्तान and other Central Asian countries. So besides INSTC का रूट, चाहबार पोर्ट भी हेल्प कर सकता है इंडिया को टू गेटिंग एक्सेस टू द सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्रीज एंड यूरोपियन कंट्रीज एज वेल. नेक्स्ट रीजन इज ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. ये जो सेंट्रल एशिया है, इट हैज अ ग्लोबल इंपोर्ट बास्केट ऑफ $67 billion and India export account for less than 0.6% of that global import basket. So this port has been of great advantage to India in getting the direct connection with countries like Afghanistan and other countries. So India can carry on its commercial activities with the Central Asian countries, Russia, as well as Europe through this newly developed transit corridor, leading to major commercial as well as financial profit देगा इंडिया को. Also, अगर हम ट्रेड करेंगे चाबहार पोर्ट से के थ्रू, तो it will take less time and it will save money and energy for India as well. Next important significance is strategic importance. The Chabahar port जो है, it is of great strategic importance due to its location in the Gulf of Oman. This is Gulf of Oman. And at the entrance of the Strait of Hormuz, ये है वह Strait of Hormuz, this is Persian Gulf. It enables the Iran to have a direct entry to the Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. So ये जो Chahabar port है, it enables direct entry to the Indian Ocean. So also by getting involved in developing the Chahabar port, India will have the presence in a strategically important region of the world. और साथ ही साथ it can closely monitor the Chinese development which is taking place in the Gwadar port in Pakistan. ये properly monitor कर सकता है. यहाँ पे ग्वादर पोर्ट है, देखिए. This is so it can properly have a इट कैन प्रॉपरली मॉनिटर कि जो भी चाइनीज डेवलपमेंट हो रही है ग्वादर पोर्ट में अच्छे से. सो दैट इज वाई चाबहार is a very strategically it is important for India geographically. Also for the diplomatic perspective, Chabahar port could be used as a point from where humanitarian options could be coordinated. So these were the significance of Chahabahar port for India. Let us see what are the challenges. First major challenge is US sanction. Although जो इंडिया का डेवलपमेंट जो हो रहा है चाबहार पोर्ट में, until now it has been exempted from the US sanction, and the possibility of its withdrawal in the near future can be a major hindrance for India specifically. So many countries have a psychological fear for sanction that they will not be able to do business with other countries. साथ ही साथ Indian exporters have the fear that they will not get the bill of lading and the foreign banks will not entertain them अगर sanctions लगा दिए जाएं in future by the US. Next major challenge is growing proximity of Iran with China. As put up by many experts in Iran, India, they lack enthusiasm in construction of the Chahabahar port and of the Chahabahar Zahedan rail link. तो अभी ईरान ने चाइना को बोल दिया है ये रेल लिंक डेवलप करने के लिए. So this may push Iran closer to China. So this is a major challenge. Next challenge is conflict of interest. The Chahabahar है, it is geographically proximate to the Gwadar port, where the Chinese military is stationed. So this may further stimulate tensions between India and the two neighbors of this India, that is Pakistan and China. Next challenge is terrorism. It is a significant challenge for India as Iran hua or Afghanistan hua, these two countries, they are the breeding grounds of terrorism. So this may impact the developmental project there. Also, the likelihood of the Afghan Taliban rising to the power and their recognition by major powers like Russia, US, and European Union, it may give Pakistan more leverage in the region, and which is a major disadvantage for India. So these are few challenges which needs to be addressed and which India is fearing for. So let us see the way forward. Strategic congruence and coordination is very important, and it is required with respect to USA. India should look beyond its own regional interests, and it need to take Chahabahar as a multi-nation connectivity project so that it can also rise as a counter strategy of China's Belt and Road Initiative. इंडिया को ट्राई करना चाहिए to complete its commitment before or at least on time to keep up the pace with growing complexities of the geopolitical situations. So, despite some shortcomings, India should move ahead to fully develop the sport at a fast pace, and they need to try to build a smooth transit route to Afghanistan and beyond. सो दिस इज वेरी एसेंशियल, ये जो स्मूथ ट्रांजिट रूट एस्टैब्लिश करना है जो है इंडिया को, इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ द इंडियाज ट्रेडिंग एंड द कमर्शियल नीड्स एज वेल एज द स्ट्रेटेजिक पर्पसेस एज वेल. सो जो भी ऑब्स्टिकल्स होंगे इन फ्यूचर इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट, इट कैन बी सॉल्व बाय डिप्लोमेसी एंड डायलॉग्स बिटवीन द countries involved. Also, the Indian traders and the businesses, they need to take up the initiatives and take the particular aspects forwards. So these can be certain measures which India can adhere to. So let us see the conclusion. Thus, the joint use of Chahabhar port, it is going to open up the economic opportunities for the traders and business communities of the region. So the development of this port and transit route to the Central Asia, Russia, Europe via India and Afghanistan is a major benefit for all the stakeholders involved, specifically India, and hence ये एक win-win situation रहेगा for all the countries. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment on it, also subscribe to the channel. You can also join our Telegram channel, which is at the rate SOMP Guidance for further updates. Thank you.